So let's read Kitten Ninja. Well, to read to me, I can just wait. I'm gonna turn the volume really down. Oh no. Kitten Ninja! Long before the Raccoon Bros, before Von Malice, and before Furry Roach, tiny Kitten Ninja battled much tinier foes. Hey, everyone to stop somewhere, right? Before he was the protector of Metro City, he was. Psst. Kitten Ninja, that's your cue. Yes, it's very important for ninjas to stretch. Yup, stretching. Some say it's even more important than training. You must stay limber to take all those villains. Lovely. All done stretching and ready for battle. Have I mentioned that sleep is important too? I know what that face means. The villain is about. Who could it be? Is it the Herald? Or the Red Dot? The Loud Duster Eater? It's the Spot! The Spot. Our hero ready for battle. Look at those moves. You did it! You captured the Spot. It was no match for Kitten Ninja. Like I said, sleep is so important for a long battle. 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later. Kitten Ninja! Wake up! The Spot. It escaped. Later. Not again. And even later. How does it keep getting away? It looks like our hero is off to get one of his ninja tools. Will it be his trusty nunchucks, his sturdy bow staff, or tape? Kitten Ninja, are you sure that's going to hold? Yeah, clap, clap, clap. Yeah, clap. Tick, 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 tick. It moved. Tick, 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 tick. It moved again. Tick, 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 tick. It moved again. Tick, 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 tick. It's gone. The Spot got away. Don't be sad, Kitten Ninja. It is okay to lose a battle now and then. You are still the best ninja. You will get the next spot next time. Click! I knew it. The Spot never stood against Ninja. Kitten Ninja. Kitten Ninja. It's really cute. Ooh! Maybe you should watch Fred. Hey, what are you doing with that?
What are you doing with that plant?
Fred and I are taking a walk.
Fred? Who's Fred?
Taking a walk.
He's just someone.
He's just someone.
Don't you mean something? That thing is a flower.
Fred is a flower and my friend.
You have a plant for a friend?
Actually, he's my best friend.
That thing
cannot be a friend.
Stop calling my friend a thing. Fred doesn't like that.
Okay, sheesh. I'm sorry. So, what are you and your friend doing?
We're taking a walk.
Fred walks?
We just moved here. He wanted to see the new neighborhood.
He just moved here. He wanted to see the new neighborhood.
Told you this?
Of course.
This?
You know what I think? I think you're weird.
You're weird. Of course.
And I think you're jealous.
Of a weirdo with a talking plant? Am not.
You know, some people think cats can't talk.
Well, that's just stupid.
People always think they know everything.
But they don't. And,
But they don't.
Hey, do you want to come with us?
Come with
me?
us? Me?
Hey, do you want to come with us?
Me? Walk down the street talking to a plant in a dumb old wagon? No way.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun.
How to talk to a plant.
But I don't know how to talk to a plant. Did Fred tell you that too?
No, not that. But he does show me lots of stuff.
Like what?
Well, did you know that plants love to dance?
They do not.
Do so.
Did Fred tell you that too?
No, not that. But he does show me lots of stuff.
Like what?
Well, did you know that plants love...
Fantastic.
Whoa, it's getting really hot. Will you watch Fred for a second?
What?
I'll be right back.
What? I'll be right back. But thanks. Hey,
whoa, it's getting really hot. Will you...
Tickle, tickle. No one's watching, right? Hey.
No one's
So,
watching, right?
dancing?
Hey, tickle.
You like that?
So dancing.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah,
It's
that's what
getting
I thought.
kind of hot. I could go for a soda.
I could
You?
go for a soda. You?
Is this supposed to be your dancing?
your
It's more
dancing.
like your...
It's more
Hey,
like your...
Fred!
Hey, Fred! Are you alright?
Is this supposed to be your dancing?
That guy, he'll be here any second.
Is this supposed to be your dance?
How are you guys getting along?
We're fine. Everything's
Fine,
cool.
everything's
How come you're holding Fred by his neck?
You're holding Fred's by
I was
his
just
neck.
checking his...
just
What's
checking
that stuff?
his
blood pressure?
Fred doesn't have any blood pressure.
Fred doesn't
He's a
have
plant.
any of the-
Are you sure?
Aren't you
Are
sure?
you sure?
Here you go, Fred. You can let go now.
You can let go now.
Maybe you should keep Fred out of this.
You should keep Fred out
Here
of
you
the
go,
sun.
Fred. You can let go now.
Was he complaining by such a...
Maybe you
He
should
can be
keep Fred
such
out
a
of the
crybaby.
sun for a
Oh,
while.
Fred,
Why? Was he
Like
complaining?
when
He can be
you
such a
call him
crybaby.
names.
You know what?
I got an idea.
I've got an idea.
Follow
Follow me.
Hey, wait a minute. Where are you going? There's someone I want to
Hey,
meet.
wait a
I
minute. Where
don't
are we
know.
going?
Really very shy.
There-
Wait for me.
Who's that?
It's...
Who's
She's
that?
Daisy.
She's Daisy.
Put Fred down next to
Fred
her
down
and
next to her
let's see what happens.
He likes her, but he's pretending not to.
Fred's like her, but
I do that too.
He's pretending not to. I do that too.
It's going to rain.
It's
we
going
bet-
to rain. We better
It's going to rain.
Let's stay
We
outside
better
with
go
Fred.
inside.
Cats aren't supposed
Let's
to
stay outside
get-
with Fred and Daisy.
getting wet. Who
But
says
cats
that?
aren't
People
supposed
say
to
that.
like getting
People don't-
wet.
Who says that?
People don't know everything.
They always say
Hey,
that.
look!
Let's dance.
Let's dance. Meet Kathy.
Meet Kathy, my fish. She
fish.
loves comic books.
That's so weird.
You really think so?
Actually, I don't.
Actually, I don't. Let's do this. My fun, but maybe we should hear it too. Okay, we're gonna read.
Doggie Dreams by
Oh my
Mike
God,
Herod.
so loud.
This is my dog Jake. He's
so lazy.
Yawn.
Yawn. He
sleeps all the time.
He sleeps in the dark.
He sleeps at the dog park. He sleeps in the car.
Oh wow,
He even sleeps on our walks.
that's a lazy dog.
I wonder what he dreams about. I wish I knew.
Yeah, doggo guy.
Dream number 1. Bon appetit.
Welcome to Fancy Pants Restaurant. We have the best dog food in town. Dog food? I don't eat dog
Come
food.
on, Jake.
I am a very classy dog. Of course, sir. I know what I want.
Yeah, I want everything he'll eat. Like
I'll
I
have
get-
10 hot
I'll have a
dogs
hot dog,
and
yeah.
50 hamburgers.
Yeah, I want a hamburger.
Good choice.
I want
And blueberry pancakes,
Yeah, a
and roast turkey,
yeah. A
and
pepperoni
pepperoni pizza,
cupcake.
and cupcakes, and a
a tub of-
tub of popcorn,
Oh, yeah.
and an ice cream sundae.
Delish. Jake, wake up!
Jake, wake up! You're eating your pillow. Dream number 2. Jake Unleashed.
Hello, rock fans. I wrote this song just for you.
Go, Jake. You rock.
It's called I Love You, Woo Woo Woo.
Woo. You can't sing, I'm telling you.
I love you more than dog food. I love you more than chasing cats. I love you more than playing fetch. I love you more than taking naps. I love you in the car. I love you in the day. I love you in the park. I love you in the dark.
You're
so great. And you're so cool. That's why I love you.
Woo,
Woo, woo, woo.
That's not
Quiet,
how you
Jake.
sing.
You'll wake up the neighbors.
I sing better than that.
Dream number 3. A Knight's Tale.
I am Sir Jake the Brave. I help
the helpless.
Dream number 3.
I am Sir Jake the Brave. I help the helpless. Help, help, help. Rain on the skid row.
Help! Help!
Have no fear. I'll save you. But how? I know. I'll use my leash.
Ooh yeah, a story.
Now climb down.
Thanks, Sir Jake.
Once again, Sir Jake saves the day.
You have? What about the dragon?
Huh? What dragon?
That one. Blah.
Holy
You're in the pink,
moly!
you can do anything.
Come back, Sir Jake.
You can just like
Maybe next
you
time.
can just snap it and clap it, or just like.
Ah!
Jake, wake up!
Jake,
You're
wake
having a
up. You're having a nightmare. It's okay, boy. There's nothing to be afraid of.
Woof.
Woof.
It's late, Jake. Let's go to bed.
Ruff.
Yes.
Sweet dreams, boy.
Why is he? Look what the. Look at the imagining. Ah la la, ah la la. They're totally different. Well, I think that's it for today. Bye.